They call it the Pacific Ocean, but did you know it holds 3 entire worlds of people most never learn about? So who are Pacific Islanders? Polynesians. From Hawaii to Samoa, Tonga to Aotearoa. The master voyagers who crossed whole oceans in double-hulled canoes, guided only by stars, waves, and birds. Their dances, chants, and tattoos hold the memory of their ancestors. Micronesians. From Guam, Palau, the Marshalls, and the Federated States of Micronesia. Island chains so small they look like pinpoints on a map, yet their navigators created stick charts woven from shells and palm fibers that map the movements of the sea itself. Melanesians. From Fiji, Papua New Guinea, Solomon Islands, and Vanuatu. Home to some of the oldest human lineages on Earth with more than 1,000 languages spoken. Warrior dances, kava ceremonies, and cultural traditions that remain unbroken. 3 names, thousands of islands, millions of people. Together, they are the Pacific Islanders. Drop the island you love most in the comments.